and welcome to today's Christmas collab. Don't forget to check out all the lovely ladies channels who are taking part. They are always linked in the description down below. So this month's theme, should I say, was Snowman, and so it was perplexing me, really it was. I think I have at least one snowman stamp and I just couldn't find it, so I actually went with cutting out some snowmen from this one sheet of paper that I had. This was a single sheet. I'm not sure which collection it is from because it literally is in a stack of single sheet 12 by 12s that I have. I've just actually cut them out and I decided to use them as ephemera. As you can see, I made some photo frame shakers here. So this is the first one that I made. But I actually, let me show you. I used this Simply Made a Craft die set. I used the photo frame from this set to actually make my photo frames. So this was the basis of my whole idea of what I wanted to make. And so these are the photo frames. This is the first one. I've just cut out those pieces, those snowmen, as ephemera. Again, the backing sheet is another single sheet that I just had in my pile. So I'm not sure which collection it came from. It could be the actual collection that the snowman came from, but I'm not sure. I've had it for quite a long while. I've also got some coloured imagery stamps that I had. These are from various collections actually, and they were already pre-coloured that I had in my little stamp folder. And then I've added some sequins in matching colours. This one's got blues and whites, greens and iridescents, and a couple of little swirls in there and stars. And then this one has some snow, fake snow in there, along with some sequins in blue colours and a couple of swirls in there as well, and some larger silver stars. So that is my second one. And then my third one, I added some purple and pink discs, as well as the blues and the silvers there. And again, I've got some Christmas bauble stamps that I've coloured and glittered. Yeah, I think that's a better way to see it, that I've glittered there. And yeah, I'm really happy. I've got some spaces for some sentiments if I need to add a sentiment, maybe a Merry Christmas, or I might add it to maybe a box or gift box or a gift bag or something like that. But I can add those sentiments at a later date. So guys, this is my make for the Christmas collab. I think this was a year-long Christmas collab. So we are at October. We've only got 2 more months to go. So again, guys, check out all the ladies that are listed down below. See what they've made, what they've come up with. I'm going to be watching those myself. And yeah, I'll meet you next month for November's Christmas collab. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.